Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of nail care, a complete guide to achieving healthy, strong, and beautiful nails. Whether you love natural nails or are into manicures, these tips will help you care for them like a pro. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding nail health. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Did you know that your nails are made of a protein called keratin? Healthy nails are smooth, free from ridges or discoloration, and grow evenly. If you notice brittleness or yellowing, it's often a sign of poor nutrition, dehydration, or nail damage. 2. Daily nail care routine. Here's a quick and easy daily routine for nail care. 1. Wash gently. Avoid using harsh soaps. Use a mild hand wash and scrub under your nails with a soft toothbrush. 2. Moisturize. Keep your cuticles and nails hydrated with a good hand cream or cuticle oil. Coconut oil or almond oil works wonders too. 3. Trim regularly. Trim your nails straight across to prevent ingrown nails and file the edges for a smooth finish. 3. Nail-friendly diet. What you eat plays a big role in nail health. Add these nutrients to your diet. Biotin. Found in eggs, nuts, and salmon, it strengthens nails. Iron and zinc. Spinach, beans, and whole grains keep nails healthy. Hydration. Drink water to prevent dryness. 4. Avoiding nail damage. Now let's talk about what not to do. Don't bite your nails. It weakens them and can lead to infections. Avoid using your nails as tools to open cans or scratch surfaces. Limit exposure to harsh chemicals like detergents. Use gloves while cleaning. Home remedies for stronger nails. 1. Garlic for strength. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, then wash off. Repeat a few times a week for stronger nails. 2. Olive oil for moisture. Warm up some olive oil and massage it into your nails and cuticles. Olive oil is rich in vitamins and fatty acids that hydrate and nourish dry nails, keeping them soft and flexible. 3. Lemon juice for brightness. Lemon juice acts as a natural bleaching agent. If your nails are yellowed or stained, soak them in a mixture of lemon juice and warm water for 5 to 10 minutes. 4. Coconut oil for hydration. Coconut oil is a great moisturizer that helps prevent nail breakage. Massage it into your nails and cuticles before bed and let it work overnight. Nail care treatments at home. Want a DIY nail spa? Try this. 1. Soak your nails in warm water with a pinch of salt for 10 minutes to soften cuticles. 2. Gently push back cuticles with an orange stick. 3. Massage your nails with olive oil for added shine. Nail-friendly polishing tips. If you love polished nails, follow these tips. Always use a base coat to prevent staining. Opt for non-toxic nail polishes free from harmful chemicals like formaldehyde. Remove polish gently with acetone-free remover. Take breaks from polish to let your nails breathe. And that's it. Your ultimate nail care guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Stay tuned for our next video.